Alright, let's start over. I messed up. Anyway, cleaned out the tube. Fresh garden, well water, just out of the well. Cleaned the tubes off. Got the ppm checker here. We were at 320 before, and now we're at 352 on this fresh stuff, so I don't know what that means. I just go with it. Maybe there are particulates in there. It's a well. It's got minerals. But anyway, voltmeter's just on the cap there. 47 millifarads. Big boy. Anyway, 50 volt. 120 down to 20, rectified, and then stored in there. We end up seeing, when I flip it on, so Variac through the 250 watt limiter, and we'll flip it on and see what happens live, not tested. It's up to 10 volts. It's a little higher than before. I was only getting about 9.5 before. Let's watch this for a second and I'll check the readings on it. It looks so purty. Why? You can see the scopes on there too, and it's down to 2 millivolt. So there's no. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Yeah, there's a little bit of noise on there, but it's under 100. It's under 10 millivolt. Maybe 40. I don't know. Hold on. Ugh, I had to sneeze. Anyway, so voltage is starting to drop a little bit back down. I was only getting 9.5 before. Just some basic background noise here. It must be 60 hertz line noise. The frequency thing is a little hard to detect. It's one of them saying 215K, but over here I see anywhere from 60 to 120 to 30. I could try to trigger it on. Ugh. Oh well, I'm not gonna screw around with that anyway. It's looking pretty good. It fills up pretty darn fast. Let's kill it real quick here. You seen any AC voltage? A little bit above. This meter normally hovers. Anybody who has this meter knows that it hovers at 20, so it's just a hair above. That tube will clear up just a little bit so we can get that full effect again. Then we'll look at the kilowatt here. I need to put something behind it. Yeah, let's just see a little better. No, probably not. Alright, here we go. Fire in the hole. That's AC. DC went up to 10 volts. Doesn't look like DC electrolysis, does it? It's raining hydrogen. Look at that. Goes up pretty quick. Goes up peak very quick. Very quick. Wow. It's pretty solid. Alright, let's take a look up here. 9.73 volts reading on the cell. We have 132 in because the Variac's cranked all the way up. Right? So that said, you see it fluctuated. Cheap meters. 0.16 amp. 20.9 watt. 21.7 VA. Can't see it. Hit the button. 60. Power factor. 0.95. That's interesting. Then I've turned it off a minute ago, so it's not going to track anything. But isn't that interesting? Yeah, 100 and let me see, 60 milliamps. About 18 watts. satisfied looking. So the tubes are preconditioned. First, we applied the 9XA, or just simply the. I have a RF frequency generator, or audio range generator, and then another one that I could do whatever with. But the 9XA, that started off with one frequency, and the 9XA provides the dual frequencies. And this is just analog signal, audio signal amplification. But regardless, once the cell was conditioned through the extensive means of playing different tones and different wave interactions into it, a purification of the anode cathode material, perhaps, during the extensive resonant electrolysis that hopefully occurred, led to purifying the surface that allows straight DC electrolysis to be much more efficient. Something to think about. I've never been able to make electrolysis with DC without, number one, an electrolyte. Can't say I've actually tried 304 stainless, though. I have done it with 440. I do have some 440 pipe, but I never did it with 304, I don't think. But at this point, it seems like turning up the voltage literally would continue to increase the output. So I was making an LED power supply. I got these lasers. I got these Stanmeyer lasers. They don't seem like they want to be really, really bright, so I don't know yet. 2 volts and like 1100 milliamps each. But we'll see. At least it's not ear piercing anymore. It makes you wonder if you could condition a whole set of tubes. Like the 8XA array or whatnot, and then just go back to applying DC till I'm wondering how much better it could perform. Quantity of bubbles seems extremely more than possible with 18 watts. I don't know. With traditional electrolysis, it's hard to compare it to it because of the state of the tubes. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching.